You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this word in German. Alright, coffee. How do you say coffee in German? If you want to learn coffee names, a lot of them are more Italian than German. But make sure to stay tuned to the channel nonetheless. Kaffee. Yeah, I know it's spelled like kaffee, but it's pronounced pretty much like Italian or Spanish or even French. Stress on the first syllable. Kaffee is how the Germans say coffee. Coffee in German, Kaffee. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.